what's up everybody? Sam here. Today, let's compare the photos between the OPPO Find X8 Ultra and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Only photos because I already uploaded a video comparison a couple days ago. You can check that out if you are interested. As for photos, guys, I took a lot of them because we visited the city of Xi'an, the place where the world-renowned terracotta army is located. Yes, we shot tons of warrior portraits. Honestly, if these warriors knew how good they looked, they might have sprung back to life right there in front of me. But beyond that, Xi'an is a city full of vibrant colors, especially at night. The night scenes are absolutely stunning. You are gonna love them. For each set of comparisons like zoom shots and portraits, I took several sets of photos. I share my thoughts along the way. And as always, feel free to leave your own opinions in the comments about which one you think looks better. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the portraits because that's why I mostly shot. Did you notice any differences? Well, if you take a closer look, see the sapphire pendant on the model's ear. On the S25 Ultra, it's completely blurred out, while on the OPPO, it's clearly visible. Besides that, I noticed that especially around the edges of the hair and accessories, the S25 Ultra tends to blur things out or cannot distinguish where the hair ends and the accessory begins. It just looks unnatural. In some cases, it even directly erases them. Also, look at the individual hair strands. The OPPO can actually separate them. I've never seen another phone do that so well. OPPO absolutely nailed it. It's all in the details, mate. And this wasn't in just one or two photos. I took tons of pictures and the OPPO was consistently stable, reliable, and always gave the most refined results. Meanwhile, the S25 Ultra really struggles in this area. Another thing regarding the bokeh effect, OPPO also does a much better job. In some photos, you can see that some struggles to give you an even, natural blur. Sometimes the area close to the person isn't blurred enough. And again, I took a lot of photos to confirm this. Honestly, when it comes to portrait photography, OPPO surpasses every phone I've ever used. And guys, I've used a lot of phones. This time, OPPO also added the Dansha original color lens and zoned color temperature sensing technology for night portraits. This helps preserve natural skin tones even under maze lighting. I took some examples, check it out. Now let's move on to zoom photos across different focal lengths. For ultra-wide, main, 2x to 3x, I don't see major differences, especially when shooting wide outdoor scenes. If I had to say, the difference mainly comes down to color tone preference. Samsung is more true to life and plain. OPPO, tuned by Hasselblad, looks richer and more artistic. Both are great, but once you hit 5x and beyond, OPPO's default is 6x. Especially for closer shots like this one, the difference really shows. OPPO gives you sharper details, clearer textures, and more vibrant colors. And when you push to 10x and beyond, it honestly feels like the two phones aren't even from the same generation anymore. For shots at 50x zoom and higher, OPPO's AI processor kicks in hard, while Samsung tries to stay more true to life. Samsung keeps more noise and raw textures, you get a bit more details, but it's rougher. OPPO cleans up the image. It looks much more pleasing and polished to the eye. But sometimes OPPO's AI goes a little bit too far. Like with the terracotta warrior here, the hair looks too smooth, almost weird. I guess OPPO didn't expect people to use it to shoot terracotta warriors. Still, for the majority of photos, especially when focused on text or small details, OPPO is on another level. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And since I'm in Xi'an, a city famous for its night scenes, of course I had to take tons of night shots too. Let me know if you like them.
I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms.
Finally, I also took some food photos. Tell me which ones look more delicious to you. Making a video like this is super time consuming, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Your support by watching and subscribing is what keeps me making videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one.